Chevy's 2025 infotainment systems in models like the Traverse, Silverado, and Equinox sometimes need a reset due to glitches, freezes, or connectivity problems. There are two main types of resets, soft and factory. A soft reset is a quick restart that doesn't erase data, ideal for minor issues. A factory reset restores the system to its original state, wiping all personal data and settings, and should be used as a last resort for persistent problems. Remember to back up important data before performing a factory reset. Always perform resets when safely parked. For a soft reset on most 2025 Chevy models, ensure the vehicle is parked. Press and hold the infotainment screen's power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it turns off and reboots. For some Silverado models, cycling the ignition key might also be necessary if the initial hold doesn't work. To perform a factory reset, access the Settings menu on the touchscreen, navigate to System, then Reset, and finally Factory Reset. Confirm your choice. You may need to enter a PIN if one is set. The reset process will take 5 to 10 minutes, during which the vehicle might restart. Avoid performing resets while driving to maintain safety.